Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Free Fire in your computer. If you downloaded BlueStacks in your computer, if you don't know how to download BlueStacks, then there will be a I button into the top right corner. It will show you the how to download BlueStacks. After downloading BlueStack, you can simply open BlueStacks 5. It will be most compatible for low-end PC, so that's why it's a very good choice. So after open the BlueStacks, I'm going to maximize it. After, as you can see, the BlueStacks app player is directly opened, and then you need to open the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, you need to search for Free Fire. If you just open it, and here is the Free Fire. If you click on install, you can see the installation begin. It's about 348 MB, so it will not take a lot of time. And now if you simply click on play, you can see the game is slightly open, and there will be the key guide for Free Fire. You can simply take it as screenshot. Close this, and now it's downloading the inner functions. And there will be a sign in option comes in. We're going to click on the guest, and you can see the Free Fire is slightly playing in our computer, right? So they're asking for a name. I'm going to name it as HS. Just give a little name. Oh, it's taken, right? So 112. That's good. They give me user ID. Okay. I never played it, so inexperience, I would say. Let's go.
Welcome to Kelly's Combat Challenge. Let's see how fast you can take down the enemies. Rotate your screen to find enemies and shoot when the crosshairs change the color. Amazing skill. Choose the HUD that matches your style.
I'm going to close it right now. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Free Fire in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.